begin our graduation day ceremony with the prayer song. So I request you everyone to rise up for prayer song.
ஓம் கரிமுக கணபதியே அருகம்புல்லில் வாழ்பவனே ஓம் கணங்களின் அதிபதியே ஸ்ரீ கணேசனே சரணமையா
Good morning. My name is Edishan. I am studying grade 1. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. At last this beautiful day has arrived. We have gathered here to congratulate the little one on this graduation day ceremony. The man's journey of learning never stops. All of our lives we keep learning from the things around us. We gathered here to congratulate today to celebrate spirit of learning. I would like to welcome our chairman sir, advisor ma'am, our respected loving principal ma'am, all the teachers, parents and all the graduation students. Your presence has filled the atmosphere with joy. Thank you.
And now, without any further ado, we introduce you the graduates.
I would like to invite M.L. Surendra on the stage.
Good morning. I am M.L. Surendra from grade 1. I did not expect that this academic year go through online. Online classes are very useful for me. I attended all the online classes regularly. I did my homeworks and activities correctly. I thank my parents and teachers for their good support. Thank you.
Hi, Superior Surendra. You are a great example for others. Congratulations, dear. You have got promoted to grade 2. All the best. I would like to call upon the next graduate Rakshita Sri on the stage. Welcome, Rakshita.
Good morning to all. I am Rakshita Sri from grade 1. I thank school management, teachers and parents.
Hi, rocking Rakshita Sri. You are a superstar in our class. Congratulations, dear. You have got promoted to grade 2. All the best. I would like to call upon the next graduate, Kavitra, on the stage.
Good morning to all. I am Kavitra. I am studying grade 1. I thanks my respected principal ma'am. I thank my lovable teachers. I congratulations my friends. Thank you very much.
Hi, Kinetic Kavitra. You are a shining star in our class. Congratulations, dear. You have got promoted to grade 2. All the best. Now I call upon R. Balaji on the stage.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் ஆர் பாலாஜி, கிரேட் 1 எஸ்கேவி வித்யாஸ்ரம். ஆண்டு முழுவதும் எங்களுக்கு சொல்லித் தந்த ஆசிரியர்களுக்கு நன்றி. நாங்கள் மேன்மேலும் வளர உங்களின் ஆசி வேண்டும். நன்றி.
Hi, brilliant Balaji. Congratulations to promoted grade 2. Thank you. I would like to call upon the next graduate or Logit on the stage.
To all, I am Logit, grade 1st standard. COVID-19 pandemic thing, situation, and online class and video class competition I am participant. All for help, thank you. And my teacher and coordinator man, my pencil man, thank you.
Hi, little star Lohit. You are an amazing person in our class. Congratulations, dear. You have got promoted to grade 2. All the best. I would like to call upon Arastria on the stage.
Good morning to all. I'm Ria, grade 1. SKV Vyasham Senior Study School. I like my school very much. I like my Jeevita ma'am, Kalpana ma'am, Ramya ma'am, Pratibha ma'am and Malika ma'am. They taught well. Thank you.
Hi, resourceful Ria. You are always unique. Congratulations, dear. You have got promoted to grade 2. All the best. I would like to call upon S. Sai Rakshahan on the stage.
Good morning, sir, everyone. I'm Esther Rakshakan, grade 1. I am talking about graduation day speech. I am promoted to grade 1 to grade 2. This year, fully online classes and competition. I am participated in competition is Santa competition, natural pollution competition, Diwali and Pongal competition, Children's Day competition. I want the certificates. Thank you.
Hi, sincere Sai Rakshahan. You have done a great job. Congratulations, dear. You have got promoted to grade 2. All the best. With our pleasure, I would like to call upon S. U. Nikhil Nivas on the stage.
Pleasant morning to all. I am Nikhil Nivas from grade 1. I am very happy promoted to grade 2 through online classes. Team SAP is very useful. Morning exercise to be fit. Special thanks have teachers, principals for your tremendous effort. Great opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, charming Nikhil. You are a unique person in our class. Congratulations, dear. You have got promoted to grade 2. All the best. With our pleasure, I would like to call upon the next graduate, S. Nitin, on the stage.
Good morning, all of you. Respected principal, teacher, and parents. My name is Nitin. I am studying grade 1 in SKV Vidya Darshan School. I feel very happy to celebrate the graduation day. I attended online classes. This is very useful for me. I thank all my teachers and my parents. I want blessings. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, nice Nitin. You are done amazing work. Congratulations, dear. You have got promoted to grade 2. All the best. I would like to bring your attention to the next graduate, G. Ananya Sri, on the stage.
I'm Ananya Sri from grade 1. I am saying about my graduation speech. I thank my teachers and the school management. My teachers taught new things in every day in my life. I love the teachers. My teachers correct to my mistakes. I participate many competitions. Thank you.
Hi, admirable Ananya Sri. You have done unbelievable work. Congratulations, dear. You have promoted to grade 2. All the best. May I invite V. Kanish on the stage.
I am Kanish, grade 1. Online class is very useful to continue my study activity, beginner class, competition, help to improve my skill. Thank you for teachers and management.
Hi, Kinetic Kanish. You are inspirational to all. Congratulations, dears. You have got promoted to grade 2. All the best. I would like to call upon the next graduate, S.S. Sidiksha, on the stage.
Thank you everyone. I am Sudiksha, grade 1. நான் கிராஜுவேஷன் டே சொல்ல போகிறேன். நான் 1 இயரா ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் கவனிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் மூலமா நான் ஸ்டோரிஸ், ரைம்ஸ், நான் டேபிள்ஸ்லாம் கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். பிளேயரும் அசம்பிளியும் என்னைய நாள் ஈவினிங் வரைக்கும் கிளீனா வச்சிருந்தாங்க. Love my teachers, love my parents. Thank you.
Hi, sincere Sitiksha. You done an outstanding performance. Congratulations, dear. You have got promoted to grade 2. All the best. I would like to call upon our Vakshana on the stage.
Sana from grade 1. Online classes
Thank you.
Hi Vakshana, you done a great job. Congratulations dear, you have got promoted to grade 2. All the best. I would like to invite our next graduate P. Mohit Kumar on the stage.
Good morning, I am Mohit Kumar. I like online class. I thank you all teachers. Thank you.
Hi Majestic Mohit Kumar, you done amazing work. Congratulations dear, you have promoted to grade 2. All the best. On the stage, we have the next graduate, S. Visves. Welcome Visves.
Morning, I am Swiss from grade 1. This year, I learned from on class. Thank you, all the teachers. Thank you.
Hi Victorious Visves, you are a concept catcher in our class. Congratulations dears, you have got promoted to grade 2. All the best.
Our sincere gratitude goes to all parents and well-wishers for your support and encouragement. Without your support, children will not be able to achieve excellence. Thank you so much for attending this event. Thank you.